Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up and install Ubuntu in a VirtualBox that basically runs inside of Windows, so you're running an operating system inside an operating system. You're going to want to open the two links in the description. The first one's going to be to get VirtualBox, which is just a program that can run the operating system. If you have Windows, you click there, Mac, Solaris, I guess I don't have one for Linux, but you just click on that, and you're going to hit run so that when the 87 megabytes is done downloading, it'll run the program to actually install the VirtualBox. I'm just going to cancel that. And now you're going to come to the Ubuntu download link and hit download and install. The latest version right now is 11.10, and 32-bit is recommended. Even if your host operating system, like Windows 7 in this case, is 64-bit, this won't affect it. So I'd go with the 32-bit. Start your download. And you're going to just save this file to wherever you want, doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and minimize that. Now once you have everything downloaded and installed, you're going to want to run the VirtualBox, and you're going to want to hit new. And you'll be taken to this wizard. Okay, here you're going to type in whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. Let's call it test operating system, and you're going to pick what operating system, Linux, Ubuntu, next. Now here you're going to dedicate how much RAM you want to be put towards the operating system. I'd recommend 1 gig. If you go much higher than, what is that, I think 2, yeah, right at 2 gigs, it's in the red, which I think it'll cause the system to crash if you dedicate too much, so 1 gig is good. You're going to want to create a new hard disk, startup disk, and I would leave it as a VirtualBox disk image. If you know what these other things are, know how to use them, feel free, but we're just going to hit next for this. Now you can pick dynamically allocated or fixed size, and basically you just read these descriptions and you make your decision. I'm going to choose dynamically allocated. Now whether you pick dynamically allocated or fixed size, you're going to want to be sure to dedicate at least 4.4 gigs, because that's what Ubuntu takes to install. So I'm just going to put 5 gigs for now. Hit next, create, and now we have our test OS. You're going to want to go to settings though, and for display I'd recommend changing the video memory to 128 because 12 is basically nothing. And you're now going to want to go to storage and click the little plus CD circle and choose a disk, and now you're going to locate your Ubuntu where you downloaded it. Hit open, hit OK, and now you're going to hit start. There's going to be a lot of these little warning pop-ups. Yeah, here we go. And basically now here is Ubuntu. It's running inside of Windows, but we still have a little more to go. So and once you get to here, you're going to select your language and hit install Ubuntu. See, this is why you need at least the 4.4 gigs. You can select if you want to download the updates or not, doesn't matter. And now you're going to hit continue. It currently has no detected operating systems. You're going to want to just go with what it gives you. And install now. And so now it's going to go through the process of installing it. As you see, here's Windows. I can still use it. But here's Ubuntu running. Now one thing I was worried about initially is, what if now I don't want this operating system, I'm going to delete it. That whole hard disk I created, will that go away? But it will. You're going to right click this, and since it's in use I can't stop it, but let's say if I hit exit, I want to power off the machine. Okay, powered off. So you right click this and you're going to hit remove, and you're going to hit delete all files. So that'll basically be like you never had it installed. So anyways, here's my Ubuntu that's already installed. That's how you get an operating system installed to VirtualBox. Comment if you have any questions. It should work fairly easy though.